Hello guys, Igor here, and in today's growth hacking strategy, I'm gonna explain how you can build your email list from scratch. So if you are starting your email list and you have nothing, you have no leads, you have no audience, what you can do, you are just starting your blog or you are just starting your new business and you are getting to know your needs. So, first, you need to understand a bit your need to provide value. Always think about a way to provide value. And then look for niche communities related to your industry where you have a real chance of being noticed. So, for instance, if you are a hacking marketer or copywriting, or if you have a great knowledge about selling ebooks. So go to an ebook community or go to the copywriting community, search in Reddit or a Facebook group. So find Reddit threads, those communities, and also find Facebook groups about copywriting, for instance, and start to provide value. Start to reply to the threads, to the topics. Just show to people, show to that community, to that niche, that you have the knowledge about your needs, that you understand what you're talking about, and solve people problem. Marketing is about solving people problem, helping them without asking anything first. And then after you work a little bit in that community, that say 1 week only providing value, you can start to attract subscribers, creating more content. So start to create threads in Reddit, start to create threads in Facebook groups. Find topics that the community members are most interested in. So if it's trending, for instance, you can use BuzzSumo to find trending topics. If it's trending to about AI copywriting, the new tools to automatize your writing process, start to create topics, start to post about that subject and provide more value to people. Then you can create a lead magnet to users as a reward for leaving the email. Okay, so include a form where users can request the lead magnet. You're going to create a page or a form where people will send their email to you, and in exchange they will receive your lead magnet, your ebook, your checklist. I use a tool called Beacon to create my checklist and my ebooks, and with that tool you can create the ebook inside the tool, and also they have the process for the lead magnet. So they will give you a link with your custom domain where you can share it to your audience. I'm adding the Beacon link in the description so you can get to know the tool more. And they have a free account. You can go to Beacon and create a free account and just use it to get leads. So after you creating a lead magnet, you're going to start to receive emails. People will start to know you. You will start to growing your email list from scratch. Answer people's questions, generate ideas, and become a trusted voice in the niche community. Look up topics and comments related to your free content. So if you're going to offer your free content to people, that free content needs to be related to the topic you are discussing. So for instance, if people are researching the best AI copywriting tool in a Facebook group, you can reply saying that you like Jasper AI and also you like Brainwork because of your reasons. You're going to say the reasons, you're going to provide value. And then you're going to say, look, I have that checklist with the top 10 AI copywriting tools. Or I have that ebook that teaches you the best workflow to use an AI copywriting tool, and it's free. Get it. That's the link. I'm only asking for your email. And you're starting to get emails and growing your email list. And then you can start a newsletter and start to provide value with the newsletter. So in that way, you're gonna be started to be renowned in your community. So remember, everything's about providing value and having a way to get the emails. And that way is creating a lead magnet, a checklist, an ebook, a digital product, a mini course, something that you can give for free in exchange of the email. But people will would like to have your course for free and even read your ebook or your checklist if they know you, if they know that you will provide more value with the lead magnet. So it's important for you to provide value and be renowned in the community. So reply to questions, start to help people, let them know who you are, and you know a lot, and that you know a lot about that topic. And in that way, you're going to build your email list from scratch. You can use that strategy up to 500 of email subscribers. Okay, and then you can start to use another tactics. At least get 200 emails using that tactic, and then you're going to use more and other tactics that I'm going to show to teach you to build more and more your email list. So let's start. Think about your niche. Start to find the groups on Quora, in Reddit, in Facebook, and provide value to them. Let them know who you are. Create the lead magnet, and then offer to them, and you're going to start to build that mail list, and you start to get those emails. Thank you so much. Bye bye.